Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming compatibility and network basics. First, make sure the TV supports Miracast or Chromecast and that it is in casting mode. This is why device discovery works. Once done, connect both your Motorola phone and the TV to the same Wi-Fi network because different networks block the stream. Then, enable Bluetooth on the phone and open settings right arrow connected devices, right arrow cast or screencast. This starts the device search so you can pair quickly. Now you initiate the mirror session. Pull down Quick Settings or go to Settings right arrow connected devices, right arrow cast and watch for your TV's name. Selecting it sends a connection request. If the TV prompts, accept the pairing to allow the stream. This handshake secures the session. Once connected, adjust orientation and volume from your phone and check resolution options if presented, because lowering resolution can reduce lag. If you plan video, set the aspect to 16:9 when available for best fit. Finish by stopping the cast when done. Tap disconnect or stop casting from quick settings. If you see lag, stuttering, or no sound, restart both the Motorola and the TV, then reconnect while ensuring both are on the same Wi-Fi. This clears temporary network glitches. For persistent problems, update the TV firmware and install Android system updates on the phone, because compatibility and codec fixes often arrive in updates. One quick troubleshooting tip: try a different router band, 5 GHz versus 4 GHz to reduce interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.